When it comes to sending videos on your Android phone, there's a few different ways to do it, and the best way sort of depends on what type of videos you're sending. The easy way, of course, is to just text the video to someone. You can go to Messages, pick a conversation, and if that conversation says RCS message in the text field, it means that conversation supports a high-quality video file that's up to 100 megabytes, sometimes up to 1 gigabyte. If the text field says SMS or MMS, you might want to consider other options. The older SMS protocol has strict file size limits, and it will compress your video into a blurry mess. To send a video, you can tap the little image icon on the right, which allows you to either capture a video right there or pick an existing video from your gallery. You can also use the plus icon on the left side and then choose Gallery. You can then browse your entire gallery or your collections and pick the video you'd like to send. Generally speaking, texting videos is fine if your videos are short and the file size isn't too large. But keep in mind that larger videos can easily get compressed to ensure a smooth delivery, and if your intention is to retain the original image quality, there are better options available. So, that's how you text a video. If you're physically together with your recipient, you can actually use the Quick Share feature to wirelessly share videos over the air while retaining the original image quality. You can open any video in your gallery or file manager and then tap the Share button. Then look for the blue Quick Share button. Nearby Android devices will show up here, or you can use the QR code option to generate a code that can be then scanned with your friend's phone's camera. What's cool about Quick Share is that it uses your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, but doesn't actually require an internet connection to work. Basically, the two devices connect to each other, and they share files wirelessly over the air. The only caveat is that you need to be in close proximity. If you're not in close proximity and you still want to share a full-sized, high-quality file, you can share a link instead of sending the actual file. What I mean by this is that you'll first upload the file to the cloud. You can use Google Drive, Dropbox, or even a website like WeTransfer. I have my file on Google Drive, and I can share it from here. I can either copy the link and send that to someone via text or email, but that usually requires you to use the Manage Access menu and change the general access to Anyone with Link. Or you can use the Share menu and add your recipient's email in. Copying link is usually easier because it doesn't require the recipient to have a Google account. But like I said, you can use any platform for this. Google Drive is just one example. And that's how you send videos like a pro. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more guides like this.